Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and download the Automata simulation file. It's a zip file and it's located at the very top of 4.5. It says Automata simulation folder, Inventor files. I'm going to go ahead and click on that to download. You can see down here it's downloading. Then I'm going to go ahead and open my files and go to downloads. Now, you can see there that there's a little zipper on this file, and that means it's compressed or a zipper file, so Inventor will not open things straight from that. So I'm going to have to unzip them. You can extract them or unzip them, or I'm just going to pull them into another one. So I'm going to actually create a new folder here, and I'm going to entitle that Auto, and then I'm going to go to the zip file. I'm going to open, and I am going to copy all of them. So I hit the bottom one, then I hit shift and clicked on the top, and then I'm going to right click, I'm going to copy and hit cut. Then I am going to go back, go backwards and place in this folder that I just created. By doing this, I'm now going to be able to open this all with Inventor. It's a strange step to go through. I'll go ahead and just got a lot going on here. Open Inventor here. And then I'll go into that new folder I created and open up the test file. So open. I'm going to go, it's in downloads. And it's in auto. Double click there. And it's Automata simulation test. The test file is going to open up and it will have a cam already in there. Cam, it's a hexagonal cam. I'm going to certainly want to replace that with whatever I've done, so I can come over here, right click and hit delete. And then I need to move on to placing and constraining your cam in there. Good luck.